In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add YouTube channel link in TikTok. So if you're first guy in my channel, please subscribe and like this video. First, I open TikTok, then you need to click on this profile icon. Again, you can see this is a edit button. Then just you can see this is the link option. Just click here link option, then you can see website, just click here, then paste your YouTube channel link. That's it. So I paste this one for only for example purpose. Now click on save. That's it. You can just go back and check it's working or not working. So I refreshed my this page, then again go and my profile, then refresh, then you can see this YouTube channel. Just click here, then maybe I'm going to the this channel, just open. Wow, it's working, you can see. So this is the method how can add YouTube channel link in TikTok. So if you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe this channel. So you can take care. Goodbye.